Hey, good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I am from theboxman.com and now from thestreammachines.com, and I'll go over our brand new website momentarily, but not in this video. I'm going to start stacking up some of my favorite boxes or media devices that I've found to be very helpful and useful for anyone that wants to eliminate, eradicate, and possibly totally destroy their entertainment bill. Now, I learned this, I want to say I learned this on my own, but I really don't. I didn't. I'm a student of this industry, and Troy Point pointed this out, and I'm going to echo it, and I'm going to show it in my own video. There are two types of boxes, media devices, on the market today. Right now, we're going to look at the latter, but the first one is called a stock Android device. I'll show up, not a picture of it. Let's say maybe you've heard of Superbox. That's a stock Android device. Maybe you've heard of Superbox Elite 2. That's a stock Android device. A lot of memory, stuff already pre-done for you, and there's good and bad with that, and we can go over that. The second, at a later time, the second option is called an Android TV device, Buzz TV. Right now, Formuler. This is the ones that I recommend, Formuler, the ones that I use. These are Nvida Shields. Those are Android TV devices. And in the next video, I'll go over the differences of that. So we're going to be looking at what I've been using for the last 2 years. And I've tried it with against just about everything except Buzz TV. But the Formuler GTV is my go-to for my entertainment. Even though it's not the biggest one that they've made. It's not the it's not this one here. It's not the Z10 Pro Max. The Z10 Pro Max has more memory, more RAM, and all that. But the Formuler GTV is really specifically made for the Android TV platform on Google. It comes with a host of benefits. One I love the most is the remote control. Okay, voice controlled, Bluetooth. I could be anywhere in the room and change the channel. So because I want to go to the specs before I go to the picture, I'm on the Formuler website, and that way you can verify if I'm telling the truth. Here's what the unit looks like in a moment, but here are the specs. The CPU is a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53. The RAM is 2 GB DDR4. Storage is 16 GB eMMC. The decoding is 4K 60 frames per second, 10-bit, main 10 profile at level 5 high tier. That means it can go up to 5.1 or higher. The 4K HDR is there. The Ethernet is a gigabit, 1,000 megabits per second. So you have a gigabit of LAN. Okay. Wireless is a dual band 2x2 AC. You got a 2.4 and a 5.0. The USB is a 3.0 and a 2.0 slot. The HDMI is 2.1 operating system at this moment before the new one comes out. Android 10, okay. You got the size, the IR extension, which I don't use, Widevine, and Microsoft Play Ready, all right. So basically, these are the specs for this, but I love this unit for a lot of different reasons. So let me go ahead and go over to the Android TV here, and you'll notice here, there's only one Android TV here, and I'm the GTV. So I'm going to go ahead and click on GTV. And this is what it looks like, okay? It's flat like that. I like the matte black. It's matte black. You'll see the My TV Online. That's an app, cutting edge platform. My TV Online, 4K media player, realistic color, high performance, premium network, premium sound, advanced Bluetooth remote, optimized for linear and OTT TV, over the top. Okay, so basically, these types of units, first off, work internally with the remote control. So in other words, they have an app, just a app for your remote. So you can set up hotkeys, shortcuts on the remote. You can make it do whatever you like it to do, so you can really personalize it. And it's Bluetooth or advanced, Bluetooth remote, which I love the most. So it's powered by Android TV. Android TV is on the Google platform, which means this unit on the Google platform, Android TV platform, is made to run at a higher level. The colors are vibrant. The sound is better. It's a better streaming experience for the consumer. Myself, you, these are absolutely worth it, especially if you purchase from us when you can get other, different services and support and all of that. You can buy it from anywhere, but if you buy it from us, there's some different benefits of that. But I want to go over this really fast. All right, so here's a picture. A good thing, you can talk to Google, do more on your TV using, Google Voice. You can use your voice to search across live TV, on demand, and streaming apps to find what you want to watch. You could talk to Google, control your TV and smart home devices as well through your TV. Okay, so this is something, an easier way to get to the entertainment you love. I love these types of units because they have what we call FAST channels. FAST is an acronym: free ad-supported television. Pluto, Tubi, Crackle, Vudu. There's others on there as well. These are already available on this device. So when you get it and connect your internet, you can go right to Pluto TV, right to Tubi, and have thousands of titles, including live TV, for free. It's ad supported. The companies, the billion-dollar companies, make it ad free. They run ads on their platform hoping that you buy the product. But the bottom line is you have great service, great TV for free without breaking the bank. So you'll get all the top apps, all the top applications by using Google Play. I call Google Play the biggest companion that anyone can use on any Android device, especially an Android TV device. That means I can get anything I need to sideload or use on my device. So we got audio decoding. You can see the difference of the HDR. You can see the difference of my generation, next generation, My TV Online 2. This is an application that is exclusive to Formuler units, and it runs a lot of great services on it, whether it be YouTube TV or services you buy yourself, because the boxes don't come fully set up. You're going to have to set them up, and using us, we can give you all that information so you can get all the live TV and services you're looking for. Here's the Bluetooth remote, voice remote with universal TV control. It's all available for you. And there's the back of the device right there, 12-volt power, HDMI, gigabyte, 1,000 megabits per second, IR receiver, 2.0 on the right, 3.0 on the left, and that's what comes in the box. So this is the Formuler GTV, and let me look up really fast how much it is so you can see. I'm going to go right to Google. Let's see, how much is a Formuler GTV box? So let's go to shopping. So you got some for $159.99, $149.99. You have $234 with other stuff, $148, $182 with a bonus package, $175. So let's say it's about $154 for the unit, which is not bad for the type of unit that you're going to get. So in the next part of the video, we're going to take a look at the GTV in action so you can see for yourself and give you a great option to choose one of our packages that includes this great box for free. We'll see you in the next part of the video. Take care.